Hello everyone, welcome to the channel Knowledge 24. In this video lecture, we will learn about very important function in Python, that is input function. This input function is used in almost every Python program. So the input function is used for making your program interactive, and it allows to take the input from the user. So the main purpose of input function is accepting the data from the user. Now the syntax of input function is any variable name that holds the value equal to input, and then in parenthesis we will pass the prompt to be displayed. Now let's see the demonstration of input function. Suppose we want to enter the age of user in age variable. So we will write age equal to input, and in this we will write enter your age. Now press enter. So it will ask for enter your age. Suppose we are write age as 23, and then we will again write age. So it will display the result 23 as a string, or we can also write type of age. So it will gives the data type as the string. Now we will write age plus 1, means we are performing any mathematical operation on the string. So it will gives the error, which is type error. It means it shows that the input function has a property that it always returns a value of string type. So if we want to use any mathematical operation on this, then what to do? So the Python provides a solution that is two functions, which are integer function and float function. So it will convert the values received through the input function and convert it into integer value or float type. For example, we will write int of age plus 1, then it will gives the value 24, or we can write these two statements into a single one, that is age equal to int function, and in this we again write the function input, and in this we will type enter any age. Now we will write age suppose 25, then we will type age, so it will gives the answer as 25. Now we will write the type of age, then it will gives the value as integer. It means now it will convert it into integer. Now we can perform any mathematical operation on this, like age plus 2, then it gives the result as 27. Similar to this, we can also use float function for floating type of values. For example, if we write float of age, then it will display the age as 25.0. So this is the basic of input function, which is used to accepting the data from the user. Thank you.